Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best L-wire neon lights is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching lighting solutions available today, transforming ordinary spaces into vibrant, illuminated canvases that capture attention and create a unique ambience, perfect for everything from party decorations and DIY projects to enhancing the aesthetics of your car or room with a futuristic glow that's sure to impress. Number 5. MaxLax L-Wire Pink Neon Light Strip. Introducing the MaxLax L-Wire in vibrant pink. This 16.4 feet glowing rope light is perfect for adding a unique touch to any occasion. Experience a minimized hum with our upgraded battery pack. For the best effect, use it in darker settings to truly make it shine. This neon light is safe to use, emitting no radiation and consuming minimal energy. It's a bright and efficient way to illuminate your projects. Easily shape and cut this soft, thin wire to fit any design. It's flexible enough to bend into any form, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Choose from steady on, strobe, blink, or off modes. With 360-degree lighting, you can easily set the perfect atmosphere for any event. Powered by 2 AA batteries, this light strip is ideal for costumes, bikes, parties, and festivals. Let your imagination run wild and create a cool, fashionable effect. What we like. This option offers a quieter experience with its upgraded battery pack, minimizing distracting noise. It's portable and cuttable, making it incredibly versatile for various projects. If you're looking for a less intrusive lighting solution for intimate gatherings or quiet crafting sessions, this is the one to consider. What people say. The wire is flexible and easy to bend into different shapes, making it great for DIY projects. The light is bright and consistent, providing a vibrant glow that is perfect for decoration. The product comes with a battery pack that allows for portable use, so you can take it anywhere. Number 4. 7-pack 9-foot neon light L-wire kit. Introducing our 7-pack of 9-foot neon light L-wire. Available in a spectrum of 7 dazzling colors, these flexible wires bring a vibrant glow to any occasion. Each wire comes with a battery pack controller offering 4 distinct modes: on-off, solid, flash, and fast flash. Easily switch between them to create the perfect ambience. These lights are ideal for parties, costumes, decorations, holidays, and even your car. Let your creativity shine at Burning Man, Halloween, or any festive gathering. Designed with a slim 2.3mm profile, they are energy-saving and built to last. The wires are also water-resistant and weather-durable for reliable use. Simply insert 2 AA batteries, not included, into the controller to power these versatile lights. Enjoy hours of brilliant illumination. Please be aware that the controller may emit a high-pitched sound when powering the L-wire, a normal part of its operation. What we like. Get a fantastic value with this 7-pack offering a wide range of colors to match any theme. It's also water-resistant, adding durability for outdoor use. If you're planning a large event, need diverse color options, or want lights that can withstand the elements, this multi-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The wire is very flexible and easy to bend into any shape. The light is bright and consistent along the entire length of the wire. It comes with a battery pack that allows for portable use, which is great for costumes or temporary decorations. Number 3. MaxLax L-Wire 5-pack Neon Light Wire. Introducing the MaxLax L-Wire 5-pack, your solution for vibrant neon lighting. This set includes 5 distinct colors to bring your creative projects to life. Tired of distracting noise? Our upgraded battery pack significantly reduces inverter noise, ensuring a more pleasant experience, especially in darker settings or at events. Unleash your creativity with its flexible and thin design. Easily bend it into any shape or cut it to your desired length for perfect customization. Control your glow with 4 distinct modes: continuous on, strobe, blink, and off. Easily switch between them using the button on the battery pack for 360 degrees of illumination. These lights are designed for safety and longevity. They are energy-saving, produce no harmful radiation, and are perfect for a wide range of applications, from clothing to holiday decorations. Whether it's for Halloween, Christmas, DIY projects, or any festival, these versatile lights empower you to unleash your imagination and create stunning visual effects. What we like. This pack provides a good balance of quantity and quality, featuring noise reduction for a more pleasant atmosphere. Its cuttable nature allows for custom lengths. If you need multiple lights for a party or event and prefer a quieter operation without breaking the bank, this 5-pack is a solid contender. What people say. The EL wire is very bright and the colors are vibrant, making it perfect for costumes and decorations. It comes with a battery pack that is easy to conceal and provides a good amount of power for the wire. The wire is flexible and can be easily shaped into different designs, which is great for creative projects. Number 2. DanziX 3 feet portable EL wire, 10 colors. Get a pack of 10 portable EL wires, each 3 feet long, in 10 vibrant colors. Perfect for parties, costumes, and decorations. These wires are incredibly flexible, allowing you to bend them into any shape you desire. You can also unplug them if you only need to use a single color. Easily switch between 3 different lighting modes with a simple button press, continuous on, strobe, or blink and off. Our EL wire kit is non-toxic and remains cool to the touch. It's super bright and resistant to water and ice, making it ideal for various conditions. Each wire has a diameter of 2.3 mm and a length of 3 feet, making them a convenient size for all your creative projects. Powered by low voltage, these lights are safe and do not require plugging into an outlet. Enjoy hassle-free illumination for your events. What we like. This pack is perfect for detailed projects or when you need many small, distinct light sources. With 10 different colors and short, manageable lengths, it offers great flexibility for intricate designs. If you're a crafter, a DIY enthusiast, or need to add pops of color to multiple items, this 10-pack is ideal. What people say. The wire is very thin and flexible, making it easy to bend and shape into any design. It comes with a battery pack that can be easily hidden, and the lights are bright enough to be seen in daylight. The lights have 3 different modes, solid, flashing, and fading, which allows for a lot of customization. Number 1. Hortsun 7-foot neon light L wire, 15-pack. Introducing the Hortsun neon light L wire, a versatile lighting solution for any occasion. With 15 packs in a variety of colors, you'll have more than enough to bring your creative visions to life. Crafted from durable yet flexible plastic, these lights can be easily bent into any shape you desire. You can even cut them to the perfect length, ensuring a seamless fit for your unique decorations. Set the mood with 3 distinct lighting modes, continuous on, slow flash, and fast flash. Effortlessly switch between them with a simple button press to create captivating visual effects. Each light strand is 7 feet long and powered by 2 AA batteries, not included. The compact battery pack makes them handheld and portable, perfect for on-the-go illumination. From Halloween and Christmas to parties, costumes, and art projects, these lights are ideal for adding a festive glow. Let your imagination run wild and illuminate your celebrations. Choose from 10 stunning colors, including red, purple, white, blue, green, yellow, orange, ice blue, pink, and fluorescent green. Mix and match to create the perfect ambience for any event. What we like. For maximum coverage and variety, this 15-pack is unbeatable, offering 10 different colors. It's portable and cuttable, ensuring you have enough light for any large-scale decoration or event. If you're decorating a big venue, hosting a festival, or simply want the most options available, this extensive pack is your best bet. What people say. The lights are very bright and vibrant, making them perfect for creating eye-catching displays. The wire is flexible and easy to bend, allowing for intricate designs and shapes. The lights come with a power adapter and all necessary accessories, making them simple to set up and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.